Are you struggling to lose weight? You're not alone. The battle with the bulge is one that many of us face. It's a fight against time, with busy schedules leaving little room for gym sessions or meal prepping. It's a tug-of-war with temptation, as our taste buds crave for those sugary, salty, and fat-filled delights. It's a test of tenacity, as we try to keep our motivation high, even when the scale doesn't budge. Yet, have you ever stopped to think that perhaps your weight gain isn't solely the result of skipped workouts or indulgent meals? What if there's more to the story, something that's been overlooked in your weight loss journey? Something that could potentially change the way you approach weight loss? Yes, the struggle is real, but what if the root cause of your weight gain isn't what you think it is? German scientists have made a shocking new discovery about the real cause of belly fat. Now, this is where things get interesting. It's not the usual culprits like unhealthy diets, lack of exercise, or even genetics. They've found a new player in the weight gain game, our very own brown adipose tissue, or BAT as it's commonly called. You might be wondering, what exactly is BAT? Well, let's break it down. Our bodies have two types of fat: white adipose tissue, which stores excess calories, and brown adipose tissue, which burns calories to generate heat. Generally, the more BAT we have, the more calories we burn. That's why BAT is often called good fat. But here's the twist. German scientists have found that low levels of BAT could be a cause of unexplained weight gain. This is because BAT plays a significant role in our metabolism, regulating how our bodies use and store energy. When we have less BAT, our bodies burn fewer calories, which can lead to weight gain. Now you might be asking, how does this happen? Well, BAT is not stable. Its levels can change due to factors like age, environmental conditions, and even our diets. For example, as we age, our BAT levels naturally decrease, which can slow down our metabolism and make it easier for us to gain weight. So why is this discovery so groundbreaking? Because it shifts our understanding of weight gain. It's not just about cutting calories or exercising more. It's also about optimizing our BAT levels. This could be the missing piece in the weight loss puzzle that we've been searching for. Understanding the role of BAT in weight gain also opens up new possibilities for weight loss treatments. Imagine a product that could boost your BAT levels and supercharge your metabolism. That would be a game changer, wouldn't it? So, the key to weight loss might be optimizing your BAT levels. And who knows, maybe the future of weight loss is closer than we think. Meet Puravive, a product designed to target and optimize your BAT levels. This innovative supplement is one of the only products in the world that incorporates a proprietary blend of 8 exotic nutrients and plants. But what does that mean for you? Let's unpack it. Each of these 8 ingredients has been clinically proven to increase calorie-burning brown adipose tissue, or BAT. This blend is not just thrown together, oh no, it's carefully curated to ensure that each ingredient complements and enhances the others, providing a synergistic effect that maximizes your body's BAT levels. What's more, Puravive doesn't just sit idly in your system. It actively works to electrify your sleeping metabolism, shifting it into full-fat, burning, energy-boosting mode. Imagine your body working even while you rest, torching calories and melting away stubborn belly fat. With Puravive, every tiny increase in BAT equates to a huge jump in calorie burning. It's not just a supplement, it's your secret weapon in the battle against weight gain. So, what can Puravive do for you? Imagine waking up each day with a surge of energy that keeps you active and invigorated. Picture your metabolism getting a fast-paced boost, working tirelessly to burn those stubborn calories. This is what Puravive brings to the table. This innovative product is designed to optimize your brown adipose tissue levels, turning every tiny increase into a massive leap in calorie burning. Puravive is not just about losing weight, it's about enhancing your overall well-being. It's about feeling good in your skin and leading a healthier, more fulfilling life. And the best part? You can achieve this without turning your life upside down. There's no need for extreme diet changes or grueling workout regimens. Puravive is here to make weight loss a natural, effortless process. It's not just a supplement, it's a lifestyle change that is easy to embrace and sustain. Ready to say goodbye to unexplained weight gain? It's time to try Puravive.